Okay, I got this new 1/4-inch socket set from SAE. It's excellent. It's got imperial and metric. There's 6-point. It's got a couple ratchet, a couple of tools. And I think it's made so that you can take the lid off and just put this in your toolbox, which is great. But that's not what I want to do. I want to carry it in the truck, and it is way bigger than I think it needs to be. So I found this little box right here that is about half the size of the SK box. Problem is, I need some kind of inserts or something to put in it.